In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Razer Viper V3 Pro software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top of their official website and click on the search box, and you want to type in Viper and then V3 Pro and then driver. Okay, so when you do that, press enter. And what's going to happen here, you want to switch over to support. Over here, you have three options. And then inside support, you want to scroll down a bit. And over here, you'll see it says Razer Viper V3 Pro drivers and downloads. So when you click on this, over here, you'll be able to find two things. You have the firmware updater over here. So if you need that, you can download it on this link over here. And then here you have the basically a mouse pairing utility. Okay, so you can just download this as well. And then these are the first two things you can download when it comes to software for Razer Viper V3 Pro. However, if you actually want the official software for customization and stuff like that, you can just go to PC and hover over it up top. Then here, you want to scroll down and under software, click on it and click on where it says Razer Synapse. Now, what this will do here is going to allow you to basically download it for either Windows or Mac. So as you can see here, it says that this is basically allows you to customize and control all your Razer devices. So you can just click on download. It's going to download onto your computer, click on it to open it, and then you'll be able to install it via that on your computer. It's actually very simple. It's going to pop up the window from Razer. There we go. It's going to start getting things ready. Then you have to click on continue over here. And then where it says Razer Synapse 4, just click on install again. And what this will do is it will install it to your computer. Then you'll be able to, of course, pair that with your, of course, mouse. So the Razer Viper V3 Pro or whatever tools you're using, whatever, of course, things you're using from Razer. And then you'll be able to customize it in there. So those are basically all the downloads. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.